Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to increase row height in Google Sheets. Okay, so this seems very easy. However, those people who don't know, it seems very hard. Okay, so I'm going to open up the sheet here just to show you guys. So you can open up your sheets in Google Sheet and increase the height of the row. Okay, so you can see there are so many rows here. Now if you want to increase the height between 1 and 2, okay, so if I go here on the left hand side, you can see these two lines are coming up here. Okay, so when these two lines come up here, simply click and hold your mouse and drag it down just like this. Okay, maybe draft if you continue. Okay, continue editing just like this. Okay, suppose 2 and 3. Okay, just like this. Okay, that warning will not come in every Excel sheet. Okay, and just like this you can increase the height and it will increase the whole row height. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.